Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're like me, always on the go and need grooming tools that keep up with your busy lifestyle, you're going to want to pay close attention to today's review. Whether you're traveling or just need a quick touch-up, the Philips Norelco Travel Groom Duo might just be your new best friend. But is it really the all-in-one solution it claims to be? Let's find out. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click that bell so you never miss out on reviews like this. Now, let's dive right into what makes the Philips Norelco Travel Groom Duo stand out. This travel-friendly grooming kit includes two key products: the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 with connectivity face body, and a compact shaver designed for those quick, on-the-go touch-ups. The OneBlade is a revolutionary hybrid styler that can trim, shave, and edge on any length of hair. Whether you're working on your face or body, it comes with a 360-degree blade that moves in all directions, adapting to every curve of your face for a smooth shave. The OneBlade also features a fast-moving cutter that moves up to 12,000 times per minute, allowing it to power through hair of any length. For precision, it comes with a 5-in-1 adjustable trimming comb for your face, offering lengths from 1 to 5 millimeters, plus an additional body comb, 3 millimeters, with a skin guard for those sensitive areas. It's versatility in action. Trim your beard, create sharp lines, and shave your body with one device. Then, there's the portable compact shaver, which is perfect for those days when you need to freshen up but don't have the time for a full grooming session. This device offers up to 2 months of shaving with just one charge, assuming you shave for about a minute a day. It features 18 self-sharpening comfort cut blades made from stainless steel and 37,000 cutting actions per minute, giving you a smooth, even finish without irritation. The convenience of this compact shaver is that it's truly designed for travel, easy to pack, and it delivers a reliable performance when you need it the most. So how does it perform in real-life situations? Incorporating both the OneBlade and compact shaver into my routine was simple and seamless. I tested the OneBlade for both facial grooming and body hair removal. I was impressed by how effortlessly it glided across my skin, trimming and shaving without pulling or causing irritation. The 360-degree blade was particularly useful when trimming around tricky areas like the jawline or underarms. It adjusted smoothly to every curve, making the process much more comfortable. The compact shaver was a lifesaver during a recent trip. I had an unplanned event and needed a quick touch-up. It took less than 5 minutes to get a perfectly smooth shave. The fact that it holds a charge for up to 2 months is honestly a game changer for frequent travelers. I didn't need to worry about running out of battery on my trip, which gave me peace of mind. Let's break it down with the pros and cons. Pros: the 360-degree blade on the OneBlade is a standout feature. It makes shaving and trimming so much easier, even in hard-to-reach areas. Both devices are incredibly compact and easy to carry, perfect for travel. The OneBlade is versatile for both face and body grooming, reducing the number of tools you need to carry. The portable shaver has a long battery life. 2 months on a single charge is very impressive. Both tools are easy to use and gentle on the skin, making them suitable for sensitive areas. Cons: while the OneBlade is great for trimming and shaving, it does require a bit of maintenance, especially the blades. They need replacing every 4 to 6 months, depending on usage. The body comb on the OneBlade may not work as effectively on thicker body hair. It does the job, but you might need to go over areas more than once. The compact shaver is small, which is great for travel, but if you prefer a more substantial full-size device, it might feel a little light. Now, when it comes to value for money, I think this kit is a solid buy. It's designed for those who want quality grooming tools that can handle both face and body hair with a simple, compact design. The price is justified when you consider the versatility and the high-end performance of both the OneBlade and the portable shaver. However, if you're someone who only needs a basic tool for one specific area, like only facial grooming, there might be more affordable options available. In comparison to similar grooming tools on the market, the Philips Norelco Travel Groom Duo really holds its own, especially in terms of its unique 360-degree blade design and its portability. It stands out for frequent travelers, or anyone who needs a tool that's ready at a moment's notice. As far as build quality goes, the materials used in both devices feel durable and well constructed. I've been using them for a few weeks, and they've held up well. No issues with performance or build integrity. The sleek design also makes them easy to clean, which is a big plus for hygiene. Now, before we wrap up, if this review has been helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to grab it, the link to purchase is in the comments. If you're on the hunt for a high-quality, versatile grooming set that won't take up too much space in your bag, the Philips Norelco Travel Groom Duo is definitely worth considering. Whether you're shaving your face, trimming your beard, or taking care of your body hair, this kit has you covered. But if you're after a more budget-friendly option for one specific need, there are plenty of alternatives available. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.